Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Nestled in Bogue Heights, St. James, is this home which offers 4 bedrooms and 4.5 bathrooms. It sits on 0.45 acres of land. The upper level features a playroom and an office, while the lower level boasts staff quarters and a storage room. The front lawn is generously sized and beautifully landscaped, and the spacious backyard includes a pergola with swings amidst abundant fruit bearing trees. The property is well equipped with a backup generator and a comprehensive security system that includes fully integrated cameras and Hawkeye system. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 475,000 or Jamaican $73.1 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.